Hello, my friend. From Olympic athletes to everyday gym goers, whey protein powder has become the fuel behind a global fitness movement. But what's really inside every scoop of GNC whey protein? Today, we trace its journey from dairy farms to laboratory testing, explore the science and controversy, and ask, is this supplement the future of nutrition or just a passing fad? What is whey protein? Origins and evolution. Whey protein is the byproduct of cheese making, a mix of globular proteins isolated from milk. For centuries, whey was considered a waste product, discarded or fed to livestock. In the 1970s, nutrition scientists realized whey's high biological value, sparking the supplement boom. GNC, founded in 1935, helped turn protein powder into a $25+ billion global industry, selling millions of tubs to athletes, bodybuilders, and health seekers. Sourcing, from dairy farm to factory. Whey protein begins with cows, primarily in the US, New Zealand, Western Europe, and Australia. 1. Milk collection. Dairy cows are milked. The raw milk is chilled and shipped to creameries. 2. Cheese making. Milk is pasteurized and enzymes coagulants are added to form curds, for cheese, and liquid whey. 3. Whey separation. Liquid whey contains 6 to 8% protein, along with lactose, minerals, and fat. 4. Processing. Filtration, ultrafiltration, and microfiltration concentrate the protein and remove excess carbs and fat. The resulting powder is dried, blended, and sent to GNC facilities for flavoring and packaging. Fact: US is the world's largest whey producer, over 1.2 million metric tons a year. Each 1 kg cheese yields about 9 kg liquid whey. Types of whey: isolate, concentrate, hydrolysate. Not all whey is the same. GNC offers whey protein concentrate, WPC, 70 to 80% protein, some lactose, fat, creamy taste. Whey protein isolate, WPI, 90% plus protein, minimal lactose, fat, faster absorption. Whey hydrolysate, pre-digested, ultra-fast absorption, used for clinical or performance nutrition. GNC's flagship lines often blend isolate and concentrate for taste, value, and solubility. The science. Why whey? What makes whey unique? Amino acid profile, complete protein, high in BCAAs, branched chain amino acids, leucine, isoleucine, valine. Biological value, BV of 104, higher than casein, soy, or egg. Digestibility, rapidly absorbed, peaking in blood within 60-90 minutes. Evidence-based. Supports muscle protein synthesis after exercise. May aid in fat loss, metabolic health, and recovery data. Over 700 peer-reviewed studies support whey's benefits for muscle building and recovery. Nutrition and label transparency. A typical scoop, 32 g of GNC whey protein delivers 120-130 calories, 24 g in protein, 2 g fat, 2 g sugar, often less depending on flavor, 1 to 2 g in carbs. Flavors: vanilla, chocolate, cookies and cream, strawberry, plus seasonal and vegan options. Label transparency. GNC lists amino acid content, source origin, and uses third-party lab testing for purity. Allergen warning: whey is milk-derived, unsuitable for vegans, people with milk allergy, or severe lactose intolerance, though isolates are often tolerable. Production process, quality and safety. GNC's production follows strict standards. CGMP certification. Facilities meet FDA, current good manufacturing practices. Microbial testing. Each batch checked for Salmonella, E. coli, and heavy metals. Doping compliance. Many GNC products are tested for banned substances, NSF certified for sport. Packaging. nitrogen flushing for freshness, UV-protected tubs, and tamper-evident seals. QR codes for batch traceability and authenticity verification. Who uses whey protein? Demographics and demand. Not just for bodybuilders. Athletes, endurance, team sports, strength training. Seniors, to prevent age-related muscle loss, sarcopenia. Weight management seekers. Busy professionals, students, and meal skippers, market data. 50% plus of US gym goers use protein powder weekly. Statista, 2023. Global market for whey protein expected to reach $18.1 billion by 2027. Grand View Research. Health claims, benefits, and the research whey is shown to boost muscle growth with resistance training, aid post-workout recovery and reduce soreness, support immune function, glutathione, immunoglobulins, control appetite and blood sugar, slow gastric emptying, maintain muscle during dieting or aging, clinical research, meta-analyses, consuming 20-40 g in protein within 2 hours of exercise maximizes gains. Older adults using whey had 15 to 20% less muscle loss over 1 year compared to controls. But whey is not magic. Results depend on training, total diet, genetics, and sleep. Controversies and critique. Common concerns. Additives, artificial sweeteners, thickeners, and flavors in some products. Label fraud. Past industry scandals with spiked or adulterated powders. Overuse. Kidney and liver concerns if abused in high doses, not an issue for healthy people. Lactose intolerance. Isolates, hydrolysates are low lactose, but not zero. GNC's approach. Clear labels, clean formulations, third-party testing, and consumer education. Vegan, plant-based alternatives. Pea, brown rice, soy protein, now available for all diets. Sustainability and the protein economy. Environmental impact. Whey is a byproduct. Using it for protein powder reduces dairy waste. GNC partners with dairies implementing water recycling, renewable energy, and animal welfare standards. Plant-based protein powders are promoted as lower carbon alternatives. Packaging and logistics. GNC is piloting recyclable tubs, reduced plastic scoops, and carbon-neutral shipping. The future. Precision fermentation. Animal-free. Whey via microbial synthesis. Fortified protein for seniors, clinical nutrition, or sports performance. Personalized blends based on DNA, activity, and gut microbiome. Economics. Big business, global impact. The US supplement market, $60+ billion a year, with protein powders as a top driver. GNC operates thousands of retail stores, plus a major online platform, exporting to over 50 countries. Protein powder supports dairy farmers, truckers, warehouse staff, marketers, and lab techs. Industry shift. Direct-to-consumer brands and Amazon sales are rising. Clean label, eco-friendly, and plant-based lines are the fastest-growing segments. Community and culture, beyond the gym. Protein shakes are now part of fitness and gym culture, from CrossFit to yoga. Wellness and diet trends, keto, paleo, intermittent fasting. College students, busy parents, and seniors aging well, GNC supports. Athlete sponsorships, local gym events, and nutrition education in schools. Partnerships with food banks to provide high-protein supplements to those in need. Is whey protein the future of food? From humble cheese byproduct to a billion-dollar phenomenon, GNC Whey Protein Powder is a testament to innovation, science, and evolving consumer needs. The next chapter. Protein for every age, body, and goal. New technologies, fermented, fortified, personalized blends. Sustainability, from cow to container and beyond. Final thought. Every scoop of protein is more than muscle. It's a symbol of how science and food can fuel a stronger, healthier future. Do you use protein powder? for fitness, health, or convenience? Should brands focus more on clean ingredients, sustainability, or functional benefits? Share your protein stories and questions below. Subscribe to AGRI 360X for more deep dives into food, farming, and the future of nutrition. Every day at 7 a.m. and 7 p.m.